In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy from China using 1688 without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to buy from China with 1688. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into tutorial and see how to buy from China using 1688 without using agent. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 app. Then at this point here, you have to add your item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how you add an item to cart. So after you have successfully add item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to access your cart. Alright, so all the item I was able to add to cart is going to find it has been found right here. So next thing I want to do, for me to purchase all this item, I need to make sure I click on this point right here. So having clicked on that, all the item is going to be selected, just like what you see right here. So next thing for me is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so at this point here, you can still scroll down and see all the items you are going to purchase, okay? Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So right here, I'm paying the sum of 69.54 yuan. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the button below right here to proceed to payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this blue bar right here to proceed to payment. Then enter my payment password. Boom. So payment has been done successful. So we are able to purchase from different 5 suppliers at the price of 69.54 yuan. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the item we just purchased now is going to be found right here. So as you can see the items right here. So this is how to buy from 1688 and import from China without using agent. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to buy your item from 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.